Hello, this is a tutorial on how to decompile the Hytale server. This is based on the tutorial by hytalemodding.dev, but there is a few issues, and someone asked me to go through and record myself setting it up. So first of all, I'm going to make a folder and copy the Hytale server.jar into it. I've already done that. And then I'm going to right click and open in terminal. And then you want to make sure you've got all the dependencies installed. So you need Git, Java, jar, and Maven. If you don't have any of these, then it'll say the command isn't found. If it's not found, then you'll need to go download it and then add it to your path, which you can do by typing in environment path and then going to environment variables path and then edit it, and you can add a new one. I'll add a tutorial in the description if you're not sure how to add something to your path. One thing to note is that the jar does come with a Java, but it seems to be in a different directory, and that was the only one I had to add to my path, so you might have to do that. Also, you'll need Java 25. So now we can follow the guide where we're going to clone repository. And then we're going to go into that directory that we just cloned, and I'm on Windows, but I found this one doesn't work. It's only this top one that works. So I'm going to copy paste that, and it might take a minute to set up. Okay, and now here it says including the quotes. You don't actually want to include the quotes. So you should have a green .venv right here. If you don't, then you've not done this step correctly. Then you want to just continue following the guide, and I'm going to install the dependencies now. This might take 10 seconds if your internet is slow. And then we can go over to the File Explorer and make sure you copy or move this Hytale server into the patcher folder that it just made. And then you can copy this command and go into the terminal and run it. And this does take about 1 to 2 minutes. It depends how good your CPU is, but I'll just cut back once it's finished. Oh, also, it might print out a lot of warnings. You can just ignore those. They look scary, but they aren't really. Okay, it's just finished. Now you can go over to this patcher folder and scroll down until you find Hytale server. Just right click and open folder as IntelliJ project. And you can trust the project or preview in safe mode, it's up to you. And then if we go to source main java com.hypixel.hytale, this is all the server code, and you can search it using your IDE functions. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.